CW and HW copy. In your CW copy, mention CW and date like this. Then write the question. Write 1 to 250 number counting. Okay. So from 1 to 250 you have to write. So how you will write? In this way. I have written up to 100, but you have to write from 1 to 250. Okay. So mention TO. That T means tens, O means ones. And when you are writing 3 digits number, on that time mention HTO. Now look, I have written here 1 digit number and 2 digit number. That's why I have written here TO, tens and ones. So start writing from ones. When you are writing 1 digit number, you have to write from ones. Okay. So start writing from ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when you are writing 2 digit number, first digit you have to write in tens place and the last digit you have to write in ones place. That means 10, 1 in tens place and 0 in ones place. 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. Here, look here, I have written H2O. Why? Because 100 is a 3-digit number. So here, from here, when you are writing 91, from there only write H2O. Okay. If you are writing in this way, if all the 10, if all these numbers will come at the last, and if you are starting from at the top, if you are writing 91, so write in this way. Okay. So 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. Now in 100, though it is a 3-digit number, so you have to write 1 in H place, that is 100 place, and this 0 in tens place and last 0 in ones place. So in this way you have to continue this one. Okay. So 100 after 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, then 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122. So all these numbers are 3-digit numbers. So you have to mention H, T and O when you are writing 3-digit numbers. Okay. So in this way you have to write from 1 to 250. You have already started number counting in your previous class. So all of you know how to write in your copy, and all of you know how to write from 1 to 250. Yes. So write this in your copy in this way. First write T and O, or if you are writing 3-digit number, first write H, then T, then O in separate box. Then if you are writing 1-digit number, write like this. Start from ones place. Okay. And if you are writing 2-digit number, write like this. Start from tens place. Like this. Leave one line, then write again TO, I mentioned TO and HTO in every pages, okay? So this page is your homework. Now we will do write numbers name. So when you are doing number name, again you have to mention the date, and if you are writing CW copy, write CW. If you are writing in HW copy, write HW, okay? So the what we have to write? Question is write number name from 1 to 50. So you have to write from 1 to 50 in this way. In one box you have to write the number, and in another box you have to write their names. All of you know how to write the number name. So what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. Spelling of 2? T-W-O, 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. 6, S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. 10, T-E-N, 10. 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. 13, T-H-I-R-T-W-N, 13. 14, F-O-U-R-T-W-N, 14. 15, F-I-F-T-W-N, 15. 16, S-I-X-T-W-N, 16. 17, S-E-V-E-N-T-W-N, 17. 18, E-I-G-H-T-W-N, 18. 19, N-I-N-E-T-W-N, 19. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Now what is the spelling of 21? Sam, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. With this 20 you have to write the spelling of 1, O-N, 1. Then 22, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. T-W-O, 22. Then 23, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. T-H-R-E-E, 23. Then 24, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. F-O-U-R, 24. Then 25, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. F-I-V-E, 25. Then 26, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. S-I-X, 6. Then 27, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. S-E-V-E-N, 7. And 28, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. E-I-G-H-T, 8, 28. Then 29, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. N-I-N-E, 29. 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. What is the spelling of 31? T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. O-N-E, 1, 31. 32, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. T-W-O, 2, 32. 33, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. T-H-R-E-E, 33. 34, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. F-O-U-R, 34. 35, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. F-I-V-E, 35. 36, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. S-I-X, 36. 37, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. S-E-V-E-N, 37. 38, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. E-I-G-H-T, 8, 38. Now 39, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. N-I-N-E, 39. Then after 39, 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. After 40, 41. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. O-N-E, 1, 41. Then 42. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. T-W-O, 2, 42. Then 43. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. T-H-R-E-E, 43. Then 44. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. F-O-U-R, 4, 44. After 44, 45. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. F-O-U-R, 4, 44. Then 45. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. F-I-V-E, 45. Then 46. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. S-I-X, 6, 46. Then 47. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. S-C-V-E-N, 7, 47. Then 48. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. E-I-G-H-T, 48. After that 49. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. N-I-N-E, 49. Then 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Okay. So you have to write number name from 1 to 50 in your notebook. So this is your homework. Thank you. Okay, now we will continue with this number. In the next page, again you have to mention the date, then write the question. What is the question? Write counting numbers from 251 to 500. Okay. So after that, start writing from 251 to 500 in this way. So first you have to mention H2O in every line. Then in this way, in separate box, you have to write. Suppose this is your copy. So in separate boxes you have to write 2 here, 5 here, 1, then 2, 5, 2 in this way. Okay. So let's count from 251. 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257, 258, 259, 260. Then 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270, 271, 272, 273, 274, 275, 276, 277, 278, 279, 280. 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290. 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299. After that 300. Then 301, 302, 303. In this way you have to write up to 500. Look, I have written the last line. 491, 492, then 493, 494, 495, 496, 497, 498, 499 and 500. So you have to write from where to where? 251 to 500. Okay, in this way. And now in the next page, again you have to mention the date. Then another question, that is write number name. We have already done up to 1 to 50. Now we will do from 51 to 100. So how we will write? Like this. 51. What is the spelling of 51? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. O-N-E, 1, 51. 52, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. T-W-O, 2, 52. Then 53, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. T-H-R-E-E, 3, 53. Then 54, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. F-O-U-R, 4. Then 55, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. F-I-V-E, 5. Then 56, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. S-I-X, 6. 57, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. S-E-V-E-N, 57. 58, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. E-I-G-H-T, 8, 58. Then 59, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. N-I-N-E, 59. Then 60, S-I-X-T-Y, 60. Then 61, S-I-X-T-Y, 60. ONE 1, 61. Then 62 SIXTY 60, TWO 2, 62. 63 SIXTY 60, THREE 3, 63. 64 SIXTY 60, A4UR 4, 64. And 65 SIXTY 60, A5VE 65. 66 SIXTY 60, SIX6 66. Then 67 SIXTY 60, ACVEN 7, 67. Then 68 SIXTY 60, EIGHT 8, 68. Then 69 SIXTY 60, NINE 69. Then 70 ACVENTY 70. Then 71. What is the spelling of 70? ACVENTY 70, and with that you have to add ONE 1. Then 72. Again you have to write the spelling of 70, that is ACVENTY 70. Then with that write the spelling of 2, TWO 2. Then 73 ACVENTY 70, THREE 73. 74 ACVENTY 70, AFOUR 4, 74. 75 ACVENTY 70, A5VE 5, 75. 76 ACVENTY 70, SIX 6. Then 78 ACVENTY 70, EIGHT 8. Then 79 ACVENTY 70, NINE 9. Then 80. What is the spelling of 80? EIGHTY 80. Now after 80, 81. What is the spelling of 80? EIGHTY 80, and with that what we have to add? 1. The spelling of 1. What is the spelling of 1? ONE 1. 81. Now next 82. Write the spelling of 80, EIGHTY 80, and with that you have to write the spelling of 2, TWO 2, 82. Then 83 EIGHTY 80, THREE 3, 83. Then 84 EIGHTY 80, AFOUR 4, 84. Then 85 EIGHTY 80, A5VE 5, 85. Then 86 EIGHTY 80, SIX 6. Then 87 EIGHTY 80, ACVEN 87. Now 88 EIGHTY 80, EIGHT 8, 88. Then 89 EIGHTY 80, NINE 9, 89. Then 90 NINETY 90. Then 91 NINETY 90, ONE 1, 91. Then 92 NINETY 90, TWO 2, 92. 93 NINETY 90, THREE 93. Then 94 NINETY 90, AFOUR 4, 94. Then 95 NINETY 90, A5VE 5, 95. Then 96 NINETY 90, SIX 6, 96. Then 97 NINETY 90, ACVEN 97. Then 98 NINETY 90, EIGHT 8, 98. Then after 98, 99 NINETY 90, NINE 99. And the last one is 100. What is the spelling of 100? HUNDRED, 100. Okay, so in this way you have to write the number name from 51 to 100. Now after this, what you have to do? You have to do another page, that is what comes after, before and between. Okay, now in the next page mention date and then write the question what comes after, before and between from 1 to 500. Okay. So what is the meaning of after? After means बाद में. Okay. Before means पहले, and between means बीच में. Now we will know after, before, between. We have already done in our previous class. So today what we have to do? We have to do after, before, between from 1 to 500, and in this way you have to write the question in your copy. Number 1, give a dash using 2 boxes. Then in when you are writing the question, that is 86, write 8 in separate box and 6 in separate box. And when you will write the answer, write each number in separate boxes. Okay, so in this pattern you will do in your copy. Now look here at the board, I have written the question. Now which number is this? This is 86. So what we have to find out, where is the dash? Before this number, right? So we have to find out the before number of 86. So which number comes before 86? 85. So the answer is 85. 86 के पहले क्या आता है? 85. Now next question, question number 2 is 103. What comes after 103? 103 के बाद में कौन होता है? After 103 is 104. Now question number 3, 249. What comes after 249? 250. Then question number 4, dash 462. What comes before 462? 461. Question number 5, 388. What come and 388 dash 390. So okay, before that question number 4 have 2 dash. 462 is the question, so you have to find out the after number and before number of this number. Okay, so 462, what comes before 462? 461. So what comes after 462? 463. Now question number 5. Here what we have to find out? We have to find out between numbers. So 388 and 390. What comes in between these two numbers? 389. So in between 388 and 390, 389 will come. Okay, so do this in your both CW and HW copy. This is your classwork and in your homework. Okay, so write these things in your copy, whatever I have shown you on that way. So for today this much. Thank you.